Hi, I'm Mark. Welcome back to Foothill Paint Fabrication. Well, right back on Project Ruby again today, and we are going to go ahead and get all the body panels we can off the car today. Trunk lid, doors, fenders, inner fender wells, radiator support hood, everything we can get off, we're going to get off today. John's going to come over and give me a hand so we can make this go pretty quick. Really, we're just going to try to strip it down as far as we can. So the last thing to do would be to lift the body off, and we'll do that on another video. But today, we're just going to hammer down and try to get all this stuff off and see how it looks underneath. So let's jump in there and get right to it. Okay, John showed up, so we're going to go ahead and start with the hood, and then we're going to get the radiator probably out, so that's clear, and then we're going to start taking the fenders off. So let's just jump right to it. So it'll be a 9/16 on these hood bolts. So you hold the hood on the end there, and I'll start getting these loose. Just hold it up. Okay, you can let go. It shouldn't fall. Keyhole in there, but I think I'm gonna have to get the grinder out. So we got one bolt that's spinning, one stud. So we're gonna have to. I'm just gonna have to grind it off, cut it. Pasture's pretty dry. Let's try not to set the mountain on fire here. Keep an eye out for the sparks where they're going. Okay. Got it. Score. Now the stud should keep it from sliding off, so you just hold it up, okay? All right, you ready? Yep. Okay, ready? Yep. Let's just carry it over here. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get the radiator out and the shroud. John, go ahead and take care of that. I'm gonna see if there's any coolant left in this thing. You can go ahead and pull that off and maybe start on that upper radiator hose. Well, there's no coolant in it, so don't have to worry about draining anything out. Get that upper hose off, I'll get the lower. All right, set over in the pile. Let's get this shroud out of the way. Okay, that went pretty well. Let's go ahead and work on getting the fenders off. Let's go ahead and start with this one. Nope. Got it. Okay, we got one right here. You can get that. I'll hold the doors 9/16. Okay. Ready? All right. Carefully set it down. We're reusing these. Come on, keep turning. Uh-oh. All right. Okay, doing good so far. Broke one bolt, stripped another, and had to cut another one off, but not bad. It's looking pretty good. We're gonna get the radiator support off, and I think that's about it. Then we'll move over and get the doors off. Oh, that was easy. All right, I gotta put it on the pile. Okay, let's go ahead and get the door off. I'm gonna just jam some cardboard in here to help hold it up. We're just gonna take it off, the hinges off the body, and then later we'll take the hinges off of the door itself. All right, I got one more to go. Okay, ready? Piece of cake. All right, that went well. Let's get the other one off, and then we can work on the trunk lid. All right, let's get this other door off. It should go quick. Ready? All right. All right, this should be super simple. I'll go ahead and take the top ones off both sides, and then all we have to do is keep it from sliding down and hitting right here on the sail, all right? It's not very heavy. Yeah, the springs kind of push it up. All right, got it. Ready? All right. Okay, I think the last thing to come off will be the windshield wiper cowl. So okay, just lift up, it's tucked in there. Jiggle, there we go. Nice. Oh man, look at all these leaves in here. Hopefully this isn't rusted out down inside here. I don't think it is. It doesn't feel bad. It's a little dirty down in there, but it doesn't feel bad. Watch out. I don't know if I need the vacuum cleaner or a leaf blower. Okay guys, that was about an hour and 15 minutes of work. Really appreciate John coming over and giving me a hand. After all the work I did on a Chevelle, he's always willing to come help when he can.
Very good.
So it's looking really good, no big surprises. We had a lot of leaf litter up in here, so I don't really feel any rust. Hopefully that was draining away. And we don't have any hidden rust over here on anywhere, so that's looking good. Got the wiring harness out and all these panels off, so really there's not much left to do before we can start thinking about getting the body off here. But next step, we're gonna go ahead and get the gas tank out of this thing. I'll look down in there. I'm quite sure there's no fuel in it, but all we have to do is take the cinder loose, a couple of hoses, and get the straps loose, and we drop that thing right out of there. All right, let's see if we can get this tank out. Little PV blaster. That's good. Go ahead and pump it up. That's it. Hold it right there. You're almost there. Okay. Whoa! That'll do it. Okay, lower it down. Okay, grab the filler neck and lift up on it and kind of slide it forward. Watch your fingers though. All right, grab that, slide that out. All right, not too bad. Okay, it's a pretty big pile we got off this thing. John was a lot of help. Jake wasn't a lot of help, but he was moral support. So we got all this off and the gas tank. So I'll be reusing a lot of this, but not all of it. So obviously I'm going to get a new hood. That hood's pretty jacked up. And electrical, I'm going to put all new electrical. The power brakes are going to be totally different. But a lot of this sheet metal is going with the car to Oregon to get stripped. So the next step is getting that body off, and so I'm going to work off camera trying to get the bolts all loose and try to figure out the logistics to lift that in the air high enough to roll that chassis out from underneath it. So stay tuned for that. Okay guys, that pretty much wraps up this video on Project Ruby. John and I got a lot of the sheet metal off the car. It's really basically ready to go to lift the body off. So like I said, I'm going to work off camera to try to get all those body bolts loose. Hopefully they are not rusted in. I'm going to try to get up in there and spray as much PB Blaster on them, try to get some penetrant on them so I make sure they come out nice and smooth. I do not want to try to cut those bolts off. So the next step will be to lift the body up in the air and get the chassis off. Dave did tell me he would loan me his extra tall jack stands, so I just have to work out the logistics and lift that thing up in the air and roll the chassis out. So that'll probably be the very next video, so stay tuned. Thanks for joining me here at Foothill Paint Fabrication. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already. Mash that bell and drop me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. We'll see you on the next one.